Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. This is your friend John, okay? So today I'm here with a new vlog, right? So as you can see behind me, okay, this brother is frying something in a joint, pan with, oil in it, and he's frying something, right? So yeah, so I'm gonna explore this place in a minute. And guys, if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please do not forget to smash that subscribe button, and if you're watching this on Facebook, please follow, okay? So let's go and explore this place. Let's go, guys. Right, guys, so I'm in a environment like this, right? This is right on top of the main road, right? And the stall is like this. They made the stall with bamboos and some plastic bags here, right? And they have different kinds of street sweets, okay, that you probably never seen or seen. You let me know in the comment, right? Yeah, so Dada, can I ask you to come here, Dada, please? I need your help. Eta ki ache na? You have to tell me. Eta ki ache? What is this?
Goja ache.
Eta goja ache. Okay, guys. This one is called the goja, right? And this is the peanut, as you know, right? And this one is
Gule kadi.
Huh?
Gule kadi.
Gure ka. Acha acha. This is made out of jaggery, right? Sweet jaggery, right? And
Chini kadi, gule kadi.
this is the same but in white color, right? And yeah, so this is the goja, right? And they have all different kind of snacks here. And this one, Dada, what is this?
Khaja.
Oh, this is called the khaja. I don't know. If you tried, you let me know in the comment. It's called the khaja, right? And yes, of course, guys, who don't like this? This is the jalebi. Is one of my favorites. The jalebi. Right. So, and Dada, eta ki? Oh, this is the malpua, right? Malpua. This is all the sweet items, right? And this one? Khaja. Okay, so guys, this brother is frying khaja. It's called the khaja. Hello, brother. Apni kerom achen? How are you? Hello, good. Stay happy. Okay, so this brother is frying khaja, right? So this one is ready, is right here, right? So basically, it's made out of dough, right? It's made out of dough, and they deep fry this, and they soak this in that sugar syrup there. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Look, this is the sugar syrup, right? So this brother is frying this khaja, right? So he's gonna soak that in the sugar syrup, right? And yeah, so the environment looks like this, like where I am, right? So guys, if you tried any of the items I just showed you, please do let me know in the comment, right? Yeah, guys. And jalebi, who doesn't like jalebi? It's one of my favorites, jalebi. Right. So these people don't sit here, most of the time they are just here for some time, right? আপনারা এখানে আর কতদিন আছেন? কালকে লাস্ট কতদিন হয়ে গেছে? লাইক 6 দিন. So guys, they don't really this is not their real shop, right? They just come from far, right? And they build the shop with bamboos and bags, and as you can see, right? And they're here for like 6 days. Tomorrow is the last day they're gonna be here, right? After that they're gonna go back to their homes, right? So these shops you don't get to see everywhere. They just come from far, and they just put their shop up to have some business, right? So yeah, so if you tried any of the sweet dish I just showed you, you let me know in the comment, right, guys? Yeah, wonderful, beautiful. All right, Dada, how are you? আপনি কেমন আছেন? ভালো আছি. Dada, wait. আপনার এই ক্রসটা ভালো আছে. Guys, look at this cross, You're cool, man. You're the rock star. You're the hero, man. You're the hero. Okay, guys, this is what it is, and this is all the sweet items that you get here in Kolkata, right? And yeah, of course, if you tried any of the items, you let me know in the comment. All right, Dada, bye. Bye, Dada. Bye. Okay, so guys, that was it. I will see you in my next vlog. This is your friend John. Yeah. If you enjoy watching my vlogs, guys, please do not forget to smash that subscribe button. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please follow. All right? Yeah. This is what it is, guys. Look, guys. The shop looks like this from the far, right? And tomorrow is the last day. They're gonna be here, and they're gonna go back to their own places. And Dada, আপনারা কোথা থেকে আসছেন লাইক
ডায়মন্ড
ডায়মন্ড এখান থেকে কত দূর?
40 কিলোমিটার
80
রাস্তা।
কিলোমিটার, তার মানে 2 ঘন্টা। Okay, okay. So guys, they come from 80 kilometers far, from a place called Diamond Howrah, which takes about 2 to 3 hours, from here. And they're gonna go back tomorrow. They are very sweet people, and they're selling some sweet dish. Kolkata, guys, sweets. People love eating sweets here in Kolkata. All right, I will see you in my next vlog. This is your friend John. Please subscribe. Bye, bye, guys.